Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining us. I'm really excited and privileged to be here to share with you some of the information and updates, so to speak, on the cluster headaches. So cluster headaches, obviously, it's not something that we see in our clinical practice every day. It's certainly not the most common headache disorder. The most common one that we see is migraine. Statistically, the most common headache disorder is tension type headaches. But cluster headaches are probably the most disabling, the most intractable, the most devastating pain condition known. It's actually worse than the childbirth. I have several female patients with cluster headaches, and they would be ready to attest to that. And this is really dramatic presentation, headache disorder. And cluster headaches affects more commonly males than females. It has an interesting bimodal distribution. It affects patients in their earlier mid-20s and also later in life, in the late 50s and early 60s. So this is